My name is April Wilkerson, and I'm a all-round maker. I do woodworking, I do construction, I do welding, I do renovation, I do furniture. There's almost no job that I won't tackle. And I actually got into the CNC game a few years back, but I am so excited to be partnering with ShopSabre. It's gonna completely level up my CNC game and take me to the next level, not only personally, but also business-wise. 100% a full throttle person. My crew calls me a tornado, and I think it's pretty accurate. I wake up and I just run after what it is that I'm thinking about, whether that be a certain design or a certain new path and direction that I want to open up. In this video, I'm going to get started on building 3 different jigs between gas and battery. I'm a maker at my core. I really enjoy doing something with my hands and enjoying the process. However, once I build one, then I would love the CNC to build 1,000 of them. And having the ShopSabre in my arsenal of tools and tricks it's a game changer. It allows me to take one idea that I have and produce it to the masses. I can't wait to get my ShopSabre in. It is being custom made right now, and I've been getting footage in of it being welded together and painted. It's gonna be a dream, so follow along if you wanna see how I incorporate it.